You know, working with the grounds crew, it's a change of pace. You know, it's something different than our regular daily operations.
Just the amount of work that goes into it was really eye-opening and really cool to see. So I definitely have a whole new respect for these guys and what they do.
This has definitely been the most unique year of my life. My first year as acting head groundskeeper, and to have the world get flipped upside down, it's made it even more crazy than I already anticipated.